a pretty little hanger, a little cute bird nest, and we are going to turn this into a beautiful hanging planter for spring and summer. And you could decorate it in so many ways. And then we're going to make a matching lantern. This is going to be in my kitchen. So all I've done, both pieces are from Michael's and they still have them. So I'm excited about that. And this beautiful garland is also from Michael's, and it is one of my favorite garlands because look how much greenery it has, and it has a very strong spine. All the branches could be separated, and you're going to see that we are going to cut it and use it in our small arrangement. Look how much greenery is in this garland. Like if you've been following me, you know how much I love this garland, almost as much as my 60919. So we are going to just start. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, I did zip tie my floral foam onto my globe piece. We're going to call it a globe for now. And I'm going to insert all of my greenery, and those are just pieces cut off from my favorite garland. And I wanted to come down a little bit, but not too much because I want to have my little bird's nest on the bottom. Well, I decided to put birds in it. You can really put whatever you prefer in there. So, of course, we're going to start in with some flowers. I chose purple and yellow and a little bit of white to go in here. I didn't really stay with a particular shade. I just wanted color in my kitchen. So I went in with all different shades, and look at the different sizes of flowers as well. So on the bottom coming down, I chose to put smaller flowers, and you'll see why in a little bit because we're going to put other elements in there. And a little pop of yellow. And my cute little bird that's going to go in there, but we are going to make a little some for him. He's just not going to sit in there with nothing. You'll see. You'll see. Stay tuned. So we're going to start. I put in a little piece of foam and glued it down and gave it a little time to settle in for the glue to set. Now also the part you don't see, I am dipping all my pieces in my glue pot. And of course, here's my beautiful lavender and purple 60919 that we also going to put all around from the top and the bottom. And I love to make sure that all my greenery and my flowers are intertwined together. So mix them in, spread them out. And you have a touch of color with more of the pretty greenery with the 60919. And we're going in with these pretty yellow dangling flowers. Don't remember what they're called, but that's okay. You know what they are. And those are from Michael's as well. Everything I'm using today is from Michael's actually, but the 60919. Michael's does not have that. They should though, right? So we brought some of the yellow down. Spreading all my colors and my prettiness. Making sure that it's uniform all the way around. And of course, we have to add a little some on the top. And another little cute little bird. Fill in all the spots that you think are necessary to fill with just greenery or with color, whatever you feel it needs. Now we're going to go and use some of this pretty boxwood, again from Michael's. And I cut it in tiny pieces and covered my foam. I made it go more toward the back. And took a little piece of the greenery from the garland just to make it hanging down a little bit, and a little bit of 60919 to bring the color down. And then I took my little bird and placed it in there. Look how adorable that is. And of course, I had to have a pretty butterfly. Yeah, she's in there. She's in there in all her beautiful sparkly glory. And look how pretty this hanging piece came out. Now stay tuned because we are going to make a matching lantern to go with it.